Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 26 how to subscribe to another YouTube channel on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to your profile account, go to YouTube, search for the account you wish to subscribe to. I'll just search for my other channel that I have. QuickTime Technology, click on this, go to the channel itself, and then to subscribe to this channel, go to the right top corner of the channel on the navigation menu where it says subscribe. We can choose to click the bell. Every time the channel posts a video, we get all the notifications to our email, whether it's on mobile device, tablets, or computers. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.